Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save any activity to your wish list using the Get Your Guide app. Whether you're planning your next trip or just browsing exciting experiences, this feature helps you stay organized. First, open the Get Your Guide app on your smartphone. Then, once you find an activity you want to save, look for the heart icon at the top. Write this activity. Tap the heart icon to add the activity to your wish list. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a wish list. You can either select an existing wish list or tap on Create a new wish list to make a new one. Give your new wish list a name, and then tap Save. When the heart is filled in, it means the activity has been saved successfully. Finally, if you want to view your saved activities, tap the wish list icon at the bottom of the app. There, you'll find all the activities you've added for future reference. That's it. Saving activities to your wish list in the Get Your Guide app is simple and useful. It helps you plan better and keep track of your favorite experiences for later booking.